Regarding customer challenges and what's probably top of mind for a lot of different people out there, I kind of like to think about it in two different frames. The first one might be folks that are facing a Windows 7 end of life, right? That's coming up very quickly. So you can imagine that you're feeling a lot of pressure trying to say, how am I going to get off this operating system? How can I make sure that I can have continued support going forward? So I can definitely say that's something that would keep a customer up at night.
There's quite a few things, different parts of it that keep me up at night, but one of them is, are we satisfying the user experience? So IGEL's been a critical role in providing consistency in that user experience. It has really just given a unique platform that our users get the same experience whether at their desktop or if they're on a laptop or in a conference room. So it's just seamless moving in between those components.
I think in Europe you have traditional people that are more concerned about putting the data on the cloud, which is going away already. So we see a huge adoption rate through Office 365. We also see that Microsoft is investing a lot to make this easier to consume, to take away the pain points of handing your data out there in the wild. But it's not really in the wild, it's in the cloud, right? And you have a trusted platform there. So from that point of view, from the Europeans' perspective, I don't see that there are huge difficulties. I think in general, the concern is, okay, now my data sits in the cloud. What about network latency? What about the availability, the accessibility of the desktop? And using IGEL in that play, it's going to take away a lot of those pain points that we have on a management point of view. You can simplify access. Ideally, the user even doesn't recognize that his workload is now on the cloud. So from that point of view, I think it's just a perfect fit, and we can really support making this a frictionless experience.